Alright. So we're gonna record a 40 degrees, 36 degree temperature. Another good cold test start for the engine. Oh, here we go. Come out just for this. I'm taking it in today because I'm done. Nice day, but chilly. And of course, my FTR giving me problems. A little ice on the roof. Just frustrating. It's so frustrating. Ridiculous. I keep taking these videos because they say it's fixed, the problem's fixed. I don't know how many times I'm going to keep having this cold start problem. $40 degrees, engine temperature went up 2 degrees. Trying to turn it on apparently. I'm gonna have to get a tinder on it after. I'm trying to choke this over. Hey, that's it. It's ridiculous. My biggest issue is how am I gonna get to work and back? This is my morning commute, and I can't get to work. Nope. That's it. I'm not even gonna try no more. This sucker's done. I'm tired of this. This is it. I'm done. I'm waiting for this code to get here again. Hopefully you guys can replicate it, because this is ridiculous. You see that I'm doing everything I can. That's it. Now it's done. Dead. Engine's got to do something. I'm really not okay with this.